वेलकम टू आवर चैनल माइंड पोर्टल। माइंड पोर्टल के क्यूज वीडियो में हम जो आज क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करने वाले हैं ये आपके अपकमिंग बीपीएससी एमडीओ माइनिंग एग्जाम 2025 के लिए हेल्पफुल है। तो वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले। ऑल्सो बेल आइकन पे क्लिक कर ले फॉर अपकमिंग क्यूज वीडियो नोटिफिकेशन। What are the official languages of Bihar? Option 1 Hindi and Urdu. Option 2 Hindi, Maithili and Urdu. Option 3 Hindi. And option 4 Hindi and Bhojpuri. And the correct answer is option 1 Hindi and Urdu. Which Sri Lanka king built a monastery at Bodh Gaya? Option 1 King Sri Meghwanna. Option 2 Gaza Bahu 2. Option 3 Upat Tisha. And option 4 Pandu Vasudev. And the correct answer is option 1 King Sri Meghwanna. Which sector received the highest allocation as per the gross state domestic product of Bihar for 2019 and 20? Option 1 education, option 2 health, option 3 defense, and option 4 agriculture. And the correct answer is option 1 education. In which year was the first Maghali language film released? Option 1 2001, option 2 1961, option 3 1988, and option 4 1996. And the correct answer is option 2 1961. Which one of the following is the main unit of industrial capital market in Bihar? Option 1 Bihar Industries Association, option 2 Bihar Chamber of Commerce and Industries, option 3 Magadh Stock Exchange Limited, and option 4 all of the above. And the correct answer is option 3 Magadh Stock Exchange Limited. Who was the appointed chairman of Indian Medical Association? Option 1 Varis Nandan Kumar, option 2 Sahjanand Prasad Singh, option 3 Vimal Karak, and option 4 Amarkant Jha. And the correct answer is option 2 Sahjanand Prasad Singh. What is the percentage of scheduled caste in Bihar in terms of total population of the state? Option 1 15.9%, option 2 16.9%, option 3 20%, and option 4 25.1%. And the correct answer is option 1 15.9%. Hello Sakhi chain has been started in which district of Bihar? Option 1 Patna, option 2 Begusarai, option 3 Bhagalpur, and option 4 Muzaffarpur. And the correct answer is option 4 Muzaffarpur. The Dara National Park is located in which state of India? Option 1 Maharashtra, option 2 Odisha, option 3 Rajasthan, and option 4 Punjab. And the correct answer is option 3 Rajasthan. The Central Sector Scheme of Scholarship for college and university students is implemented by which ministry? Option 1 Ministry of Finance, option 2 Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, option 3 Ministry of Education, and option 4 Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. And the correct answer is option 3 Ministry of Education. माइंड पोर्टल ऐप पे बीपीएससी एमडीओ माइनिंग एग्जाम 2025 के लिए टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अवेलेबल हैं। ऑनलाइन क्लासेस एंड टेस्ट सीरीज का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए गए हैं। लिंक पे क्लिक करके आप टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस परचेज कर सकते हैं।